using sort methods to modify your data frame. In all the examples you've seen so far, both sort values and sort index have returned DataFrame objects when you called those methods. That's because sorting in Pandas doesn't work in place by default. In general, this is the most common and preferred way to analyze your data with Pandas, since it creates a new data frame instead of modifying the original. This allows you to preserve the state of the data from when you read it from the file. However, you can modify the original data frame directly by specifying the optional parameter in place with the value of true. The majority of Pandas methods include the in-place parameter. In this section, you'll see a few examples of using in-place equals true to sort your data frame in place. With in-place set to true, you're modifying the original data frame, so the sort methods return none. Sort your data frame by the values of the City 08 column like the very first example, but with in-place set to true, as seen on screen. Notice that calling sort values doesn't return a data frame. Here's what the original data frame looks like. In the data frame object, the values are now sorted in ascending order based on the City 08 column. The original data frame has been modified and the changes will persist. It's generally a good idea to avoid using in-place equals true for analysis because the changes to your data frame can't be undone. The next example illustrates that in-place also works with sort index. Since the index was created in ascending order when you read your file into a data frame, you can modify the data frame object again to get it back to its original order. Use sort index with in-place equals true to modify the data frame. Now the data frame has been modified again using sort index, and since the data frame still has the default index, sorting it in ascending order puts the data back into the original order. If you're familiar with Python's built-in functions sort and sorted, then the in-place parameter available in the Pandas sort methods might seem familiar. For more information, check out this Real Python course. In the final part of the course, you'll take a look back at what you've learned.